You might believe that when you encounter a black cat, you're simply looking at an ordinary feline. However, these dark-coated creatures are far more remarkable than you may realize. Beyond the myths and superstitions surrounding them, black cats possess distinctive traits and a deep cultural significance. Today, we will explore 9 fascinating aspects of black cats, including the breeds where they appear, the genetics behind their color, and their unique characteristics. Number 1. Black cats appear in multiple breeds. Many people assume that black cats belong to a single breed, but this is far from the truth. In reality, black fur can be found across various cat breeds. There are approximately 22 recognized breeds worldwide that can feature a black coat. Some of the most well-known breeds that may have black-coated members include the Persian, Munchkin, Sphynx, British Shorthair, and Scottish Fold. The defining factor behind their black fur is genetics. The presence of a specific gene determines the dark color, and it is a dominant trait. This means that if a black cat breeds with another feline, the chances of black kittens being born are significantly high. The black coloration is caused by a substantial concentration of melanin, which is the pigment responsible for giving color to an animal's skin and fur. This high melanin level also plays a role in other features, such as eye color, which we will discuss in detail later. Number 2. The only breed, where all cats are black. While several breeds can produce black-coated felines, only one breed is exclusively black: the Bombay cat. The Bombay breed was intentionally developed in the 1950s in the United States by crossing Burmese cats with American Shorthairs. The goal was to create a domestic feline that resembled a small panther, boasting a sleek black coat and striking golden or copper eyes. Bombay cats are not just admired for their appearance, they are also known for their affectionate and social nature. These cats often form deep connections with their owners, frequently following them around the house and seeking attention. Many Bombay cat owners describe them as having dog-like behaviors due to their loyalty and playful temperament. Additionally, they are highly intelligent and adapt well to family environments, making them excellent companions. Number 3. Black cats can change color. A lesser-known fact about black cats is that their fur color can change under certain circumstances. While their coat is predominantly black, exposure to sunlight for extended periods can alter its shade. The ultraviolet rays from the sun break down melanin in the fur, resulting in a brownish or reddish hue. Another factor that may lead to a change in fur color is diet. A deficiency in tyrosine, an amino acid essential for melanin production, can cause a black cat's coat to fade. If you notice your black cat's fur turning brown, it could be an indication that their diet lacks sufficient nutrients. Fortunately, this issue can often be corrected by incorporating protein-rich foods into their meals to ensure proper melanin production. Number 4. Most black cats have yellow or green eyes. One of the most striking features of black cats is their eye color. Most black felines have either yellow or green eyes due to the high melanin concentration in their bodies. The same pigment that darkens their coat also influences the pigmentation of their irises, resulting in intense shades of green, gold, or amber. The contrast between their dark fur and vibrant eyes makes black cats particularly mesmerizing. While rare, some black cats can also have blue eyes. This phenomenon typically occurs in felines with partial albinism, a genetic condition that influences fur and eye pigmentation, occasionally leading to blue-eyed black cats. Number 5. Black cats may have a stronger resistance to diseases. Another fascinating fact about black cats is their potential resistance to certain diseases. Research conducted by scientists at the National Cancer Institute in the United States suggests that the genes responsible for their black coat may also provide a genetic advantage against some illnesses, including viral infections such as feline immunodeficiency virus, FIV, commonly known as feline AIDS. Scientists believe that genetic mutations associated with black fur contribute to a higher level of disease resistance in these felines. While studies are still ongoing, this theory adds to the uniqueness of black cats and may explain why they have survived and thrived for centuries. Number 6. The black coat color is a dominant genetic trait. As mentioned earlier, the black coat in cats results from a dominant gene. This means that when a black cat mates with another feline of a different color, the probability of producing black kittens remains high. If both parents carry the dominant black gene, the likelihood of all their kittens being black increases even further. This dominant gene is responsible for producing eumelanin, the pigment that gives fur a black, brown, or gray coloration. The high presence of eumelanin in black cats results in their sleek and uniform dark appearance, often accompanied by a glossy sheen. This genetic factor not only influences their fur color, but also contributes to other physical traits, such as eye pigmentation. Number 7. The wealthiest cat in history was black. One of the most remarkable black cats in history was Blackie, who became the richest feline in the world. Blackie inherited a fortune of $12.5 million from his owner, a British millionaire, in 1988. Instead of leaving his wealth to family members, the owner designated his estate to benefit his beloved pet. Although Blackie was the direct beneficiary of the inheritance, a portion of the funds was also allocated to animal charities, ensuring that other cats and animals in need could receive assistance. Blackie not only made history as the wealthiest cat ever recorded, but also as a symbol of generosity, as his legacy contributed to the welfare of numerous other animals. Number 8. The myth about black cats and Halloween. A persistent myth suggests that black cats are used in dark rituals or sacrificed during Halloween. However, this belief is largely unfounded. While black cats have historically been linked to superstitions and witchcraft, particularly during medieval times, there is no credible evidence supporting the claim that they are specifically targeted during Halloween. A study conducted by National Geographic in 2007 aimed to investigate whether black cats were indeed victims of occult practices during Halloween. The research concluded that there was no significant proof supporting these claims. In reality, black cats are just as cherished and valued as any other cat, with no real connection to sinister rituals. Number 9. Black cats make wonderful pets. Despite the myths and unfounded fears surrounding them, black cats are just as loving, playful, and affectionate as any other feline. Unfortunately, due to lingering superstitions, black cats are often overlooked in animal shelters and have a harder time finding homes compared to cats of other colors. By adopting a black cat, you are not only gaining a loyal and affectionate companion, but also giving a deserving animal a second chance at a loving home. Their glossy dark fur combined with striking eyes makes them one of the most visually captivating pets. If you're considering bringing a cat into your life, why not choose one of these beautiful and charming felines? They have plenty of love to offer and deserve a happy and secure home just like any other animal. Black cats have long been surrounded by myths, superstitions, and misconceptions. However, beyond these old beliefs, they remain extraordinary creatures with fascinating characteristics, unique genetics, and a rich cultural history. Whether it's their striking appearance, disease resistance, or playful personalities, black cats are truly remarkable companions.